Carbohydrates in the glycoprotein are associated by option A hydrophobic interaction, option B covalent bond, option C hydrogen bond, or option D van der Waals forces. So the correct answer would be option B. Carbohydrates in glycoproteins are associated by covalent bonds. These covalent bonds typically form between the carbohydrate and the amino acid residues like asparagine, serine, or threonine in the protein. The two most common types of covalent linkages in glycoproteins are N-linked bonds and O-linked bonds. N-linked glycosidic bonds is formed between the carbohydrate and the nitrogen atom of the side chain of the asparagine, while O-glycosidic bonds are formed between the carbohydrate and the oxygen atom of the side chain of the serine or threonine residue.